Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, and Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a fabulous time celebrating with all your friends and family. But today I am back with more work from home job leads for you. I'll try to make this one as quick as possible. I have a company to share with you that is hiring someone to review medical equipment orders, and they're paying anywhere from $17 to $19 an hour. The company is Adapt Health. They have 583 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. And I do just want to ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, that you can let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with them. But Adapt Health is hiring a quality assurance specialist. This is fully remote. I do believe this is for the United States only, but Adapt Health offers a full service home medical equipment products and services to help empower patients to be able to live their better life. And they're looking for somebody to be responsible for reviewing delivery and shipping tickets and just making sure that all the order information is in the system and collecting any extra data that you need. So you're going to accurately enter patient notes and updates into the patient's chart, reviewing documentation, making sure that it's valid prior to processing an order to ensure completeness and accuracy. And sometimes these medical equipment orders will be billed by insurance. You're going to verify and obtain any delivery information, delivery address, telephone numbers. You'll work with insurance companies if you need like prior approvals, anything like that. You'll just document the accounts with any delivery expectations for the request. Just accurately processing, verifying, and submitting any documentation and the orders, doing the insurance verification for co-insurance, deductibles, things like that that the patient is going to need to pay. Best part about this job is they only require a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of related work experience in either some kind of healthcare administrative field or financial, insurance, claims, billing, call center, things like that. So if you've got customer service call center experience or healthcare experience, this might be perfect for you. Again, pays anywhere from $17 to $19 an hour. That is dependent on your experience and location. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.